Takot maging sikat? Alam mo ba anak, many business owners are afraid to be too visible. Ayaw nilang masyadong mapansin. Baka raw mainggit ang iba o baka sabihin na nagyayabang sila. That's exactly what happened to Gail. May business siya ng organic products, homemade soaps, essential oils, natural skincare. High quality talaga ang products niya pero ayaw niyang sumali sa trade fairs. Mami yan, sabi niya, baka isipin ng mga tao nagmamalaki ako. Baka mainggit pa yung mga nakakakilala sa akin. So for years, she relied only on word of mouth and small online sales. But deep inside, frustrated siya kasi hindi lumalago ang business niya. So one session, I asked her, Gail, what is your real fear? And she admitted na takot siyang ma-judge ng mga tao. So sabi ko sa kanya, anak, visibility is not about pride. It's about service. Kung magtatago ka, paano makikilala ng mga tao ang products mo? Sino ang matutulungan ng negosyo mo? And after months of encouragement, finally, she decided to join a local trade fair. And that became her breakthrough. She even became a supplier for a big wellness center in their area. Na-realize ni Gail na hindi pala siya nagyayabang. By being visible, she was actually serving more people. Kaya ito yung lesson. Your business deserves to be seen. Visibility is not vanity. It's a responsibility. When you hide your light, tinatago mo rin ang tulong na kaya mong ibigay. Kaya embrace visibility, anak. Not for your ego, but for service. Let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you're ready to do better in your business, get your free starter kit. Link is in the comment section.